We recommend everyone to Black Friday 2021 and continuously to Cyber Monday 2021 about Proscenic 3-in-1 Handheld Vacuum S1, Lightweight Car Vacuum, with 12 kPa suction and quick charge. Rechargeable Cordless Handheld Vacuum. When is Black Friday 2021 is an annual event just for well known that it is shopping time on. And this year Amazon have selected many products for the shoppers from small businesses and top brands. Beat the holiday hustle and shop for everyone on your list during Black Friday 2021. Happy everyone on Black Friday 2021. You can find wanted, shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs, filter by specification, type, brand and more. Tip for buy. Bookmark link in YouTube description and check back for new all details every day. Can't wait? Click Shop Black Friday for all of our present details. If you want to get highlight features and full review of Proscenic 3-in-1 Handheld Vacuum S1, please visit the link in YouTube description.